Hello friends, this is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to use an Excel formula known as index. So guys, you may have previously used that formula for your calculation, but in this session we will use this formula in a different way. We will use this formula for different application. So please stay tuned up to the last, and before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Thank you. So now we will learn how to use an index formula, and for what it is to calculate the interpolation in a series of numbers. So let's see how to do this. So guys, on the screen you can see some tables. Now in that table I have assigned some series of numbers to a upon b. So for a upon b the series is 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and so on. And for x I have assigned some values like 0 0.3, 0 0.7, 0 0.9, 1.5 and so on. So what we generally do most of the times, we get such tables in section 2 part D for allowable stress values. So what we do, suppose I have to calculate value of a upon b. Suppose I have to value of x corresponding to value of b as a 1.2. So what we generally do is just we go to the interpolation, then we select the known y values. So these are my will be my known y values, and then we select known x values. So these are my known x values, and we select a new x constant. So this is how we calculate. So let's check our interpolation formula. When a upon b is 1, x is 0.3. When a upon b is 1.5, then x is 0.7. But what if my value of a upon b is 2.2? So here, if my value of a upon b is 2, then it shows x as a 1.1 because it goes linearly, like 0.3 plus 0.4 will be 0.7 and 0.7 plus 0.4 will be 1.1. So it goes linearly, but my values I have assigned to x are not in a series, means are not linear. So in this case, what I have to do, we have to use the index formula. So here in this case, I have to automate my Excel sheet to get the proper series for proper value of a upon b. So suppose if my value of a upon b is 3, it should select the series for 3 to 4. So below here you can see when I have assigned value of 3 to a upon b, here the series is directly updated. So when a upon b is 3, the series is 3 to 4, and also the values for x are updated. When a upon b is 3, x is 2, and when a upon b is 4, x is 2.5. So this is the thing what we have to learn. So this is the thing what we have to learn in this session. So let's see. My value of a upon b is 3. So how to do this? So to do this, we have to use an Excel formula known as index. First of all, we have to select the range. So here we have selected the range. Then we have to match with our input. So a upon b, here is our input. So it's going to match with C6. Then again, we have to specify the range. So this is how we have used the index formula. So whenever I will specify value to a upon b, so it will take appropriate series. So when I have put the value of a upon b as 2, where series is 2 to 2.5. So here we have already seen how to get the formula for 2. Then how to get the formula for 2.5. So 2.5 just after the 2. So we just have to repeat the formula. We have to copy this formula, then and just paste it here and just say plus 1. So that plus one means it will go to the next cell. So if my value of a upon b is 2 in this cell, so my value in next cell will be 2.5. So this is how we have updated our series. Now we need the corresponding values of x. So this is bit simpler. We have to use an h lookup. So if you want to learn the detailed HLOOKUP, so if you want to learn HLOOKUP formula in detail, we have some another video on HLOOKUP. So please go through that so you will be more clear about this. So if we have to see the HLOOKUP, so C9, in this case my C9 will be input. Here it is my input. Then we have to specify the range. So my range for HLOOKUP will be this complete paragraph, and then we have to input the value as 2. That 2 stands for second number, that because value of x I have assigned in the second column and a upon b is in first column. So what you have to see, HLOOKUP, I have selected that C9, then we have selected that total table from 1 to 4 as a HLOOKUP, and then we have specified the number, that 2 is the number of row. So this is how when there is 2, it will take it as a 0.9, x will be 0.9. When there is a 2.5, it will take it as a 1.5. So let's once again see this formula where I have assigned C10. This is C10, then B3 to I4, it will be same. Then we have to see in the second row. So this is how we get the series, and at the last, now it's easy to get the interpolation. So when we have to simply use the trend D9 to D9 to D10. These are my known y's. Then C9 to C10. These are my known x. And what is my new x is this is C6 is my new x. And by using this, we can get the value of x is equal to 0.9. Now I'm going to use the value of AB as 2.5. So here it is 1.5. So one more thing here I would like to explain you. I have used the formula if here. So when in some cases if my value of a upon b is greater than 4.5, so if my value is greater than 4.5, value in C6 is greater than 4.5, then just input the answer as I4, because the value in this cell is the highest and above that it is infinity. So when there is value above 4.5, it will print it as a I4, means value 4. And if this condition fails, then it goes to this condition. So now if I'm going to assign the value of a upon b as 5, so in that case x gives value of 4. If I'm going to assign the value as 10, it will remain same, 50. It will remain same because above 4.5 there is infinity, and infinity does not have any end. So this is how we can use an index formula. So guys, this is how we can use an index formula. So I hope guys you have not get much bored with this, because it is bit a lengthier video, but if you see it 2 to 3 times, you will be more clear about this. In a one shot, it might be difficult for you. So guys, please watch it for 2 to 3 times so it will be more clear to you. So I hope guys you got some value from this video. So guys, please keep supporting and keep sharing our videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.